A rusty spotted cat, the smallest feline in the world. He may look like a kitten. He'd still fit in the palm of your hand. But this little male is very nearly fully grown. He'll soon be setting off on a solitary life, fending entirely for himself. What he lacks in size, he makes up for in daring. Young cats are born curious. It's how they learn about their world, even if it can get them into trouble. Straight away, he puts his super senses through their paces. His eyes are 6 times more powerful than our own, and sensitive to the slightest movement.